Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I do all sorts of unboxings. Clothing, I've been known to do food. Don't do cooking, sorry. I do lifestyles, and today I have my Causebox. I know I'm probably one of the last people on the planet to unbox their Causebox, but I've been traveling, so I haven't been able to get to it. I have cheated. I have watched other YouTubers unbox it, so I just can't wait to get into it. So let's get there. And this is a heavy, heavy one, and I know why, since I am a cheater. Now I know you can get different picks, different options they offer you. And because I ordered it so long ago and because I sat on it for so long, I have no idea what's in my box. Besides, I know everybody got the same thing. This is a quarterly box. I want to say it's like $49.99 plus shipping. You can get an annual subscription, which makes it cheaper, but I don't know. Between this and FabFitFun, I have to decide which one I want to go annually on. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, if you like this content, if you just like my bubbly personality, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video. And if you really like this video, a thumbs up. And for those of you that are returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. And you probably all have unboxed yours already. So let's get into it. Again, they give you this really nice booklet with everything that's in there. They have members that are already in there and just the different usages for the items. So it's so heavy I can't pick it up again, but it's wrapped really nice. It's got tissue paper, and they put in a postcard. You can use these to mail them, or some people just put them in a frame, put them on their desks, but they're really cute postcards. I always say I'm going to use them and send them to my daughter in Germany, but I never do. I'm going to have to do that. So the first thing is the juice cleanser for a fresh is the juice cleanse for a fresh, pressed, juicy glow. So these are bath salts, and I will link it above, but I just did my Fire and Nice unboxing, which is pretty much all baths, bath bombs and bath salts. So I will add this collection. I just want to, here in Washington, we're like in the woods, our backyard has the trees. I would just love to get one of those big clawfoot bathtubs and just stick it in the woods and be able to take endless baths and have like the deer and the wildlife just walk by. Obviously never gonna happen, but it's just a thought. So we do have the bath salts, and I'll look at them for the end, but we do have those. And then this, I have no clue. Do I open it? Do I not open it? Don't want to ruin it. Not sure. Oh my God. It's like jelly. It's just like I put my hands in a bowl of not knowing what it is. Okay, yeah, these are the silicone lids. I guess they fit on like any type of bowl, but if you feel them, it's like, ew. But yeah, they just go over a bowl and they're reusable. Oh, they have a little smiley face, and they come in different sizes. Like, so if you put salad dressing, they have the different sizes. but the feel of them is just kind of weird. So those are neat. It's not like I go to work and I pack a lunch or anything, but like if I were to ever do a picnic, they would be great. So much stuff in here. It's like, where do I begin? And then there's this little bag. And I don't know, are they oils? You know, why did they do this to me? They know I'm challenged, and everything that they're sending me is challengeable. Do you guys get like that, where you just, and because we're up here and with the virus and everything, you can't go back out. In Arizona, right when we left, they shut everything back down again. And in Washington, I guess they're gonna do the same thing. So this is Savhira, I guess they're oils, yeah, essential oils, and this one is Tracy Grace, and this one is Secret Zest. So we got 2 nice oils. Boy, those are big jars if I don't break them. Okay then. I wish I knew what order they put everything in here. Oh, here. Wake up, wind down. A new dawn. So here's all the oils, and they come, I guess, in all those different scents. And then we have the Grace and Stella Say Hydro Hydration Hydraulic Acid. And that's what the box, and of course they packaged these awesome. And because I have no nails, now I did come prepared with my scissors, so if I do need to do an attack on these packages, I am prepared. Now I know why this box is so heavy. We got bottles, and I think I heard this item is supposed to be really good. This is a hydrating serum. Now I am using a couple right now, so I'm not gonna open this, but beautiful packaging. And usually I use mine at night, but that's really nice. I don't know if that was an option that I picked, or, and then we got another large heavy box. My postman must hate me. Oh, this is a Rediffuser. Oh yeah, I remember, because everybody that took them out of the box had this look on their face like it's half empty. So I wonder if mine's gonna have that look. Oh look, it's like it's half empty. That's what I remember about this. And this is bergamot and grapefruit, and I could definitely use this. And it's got the wreath in there. So yeah, that's what I remember, is everybody that opened it, or they commented on somebody who commented like, oh, mine looks like it's half empty. They're like, that's how it's supposed to be. So that's what I remember about this. It's those little things. And then we got the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing. And I got this in green, and we got these in what, a Boxy Charm, and I didn't use it. I think I gifted it to somebody, so I'm not gonna take it out of the package because it's sealed. So I will probably put it on eBay or Poshmark or something, because I will not be using it. But I know they retail for like $99, so it is a nice item that they do put in our boxes. And I think this was the item, oh my God, that made the box so heavy. And I'm so excited to get this, and that I got these up here in Washington because this is where I needed them the most. Of course, you know I'm not going to get this opened. Oh my goodness. The bad thing about being here in Washington is I have no dishwasher. So these will have to be washed by hand. I don't know if you can put them in a dishwasher. That's the first thing that I look for when I get an item, is if it's dishwasher safe. Because that's like, it has to go in the dishwasher or I don't want it. Making a mess. So, and I don't know if they all come in the same colors, but I'm loving this color. So here's a little bowl and really nice protectors on here. And here is that beautiful, this would be my cereal bowl because I'm loving that. Maybe this will be my cereal bowl. But these are great bowls. So we got this 3-piece bowl set, which to me is worth the price of the box. So now I'm gonna have to hand wash them. So I'm just gonna see, I don't know if they put the retail price. Oh, it might be on the back. So we got the, oh, I guess they donate some of the things, and then you can get a discount. So the PMD Beauty, you can get 25% off. The essential oils, I guess they go on your wrist. I didn't know that. I thought they went into a diffuser, but it's showing you can get 25% off, but it's showing that she's rolling it on her wrists. Okay, so just to recap, you can have, I guess, the PMD facial is a $99 value, and it came in blush, navy, or teal. And then the Rediffuser is a $35 value. And the set of 3 nesting bowls is a $36 value. And the set of 6 silicone stretch lids is an $8 value. And the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum is a $25 value. And then if you are an annual member, you can get the roll-on, and I didn't realize again that they were roll-on. I thought you put them in a, you know, the diffuser, so it's nice that they're roll-on, so I'll open them up and check them out. Or you could have got earrings, or you could have got the day cream. So I got the roll-on, I guess, because I'm not an annual member. Or you could have got, if you were an annual, the healing balm or the bath salts, and I got the bath salts. So overall, it was a really nice box. I love the nesting bowls, and you know, the only thing I won't use is that PMD, and I will try. They package these up so nice, and you know, it'll take me an hour to open them, but I didn't realize that they go on your wrist. So Let me know what your favorite item in this box was, and if you got this box, what you thought of your box. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.